So what happens when you do a reverse mortgage and the balance is bigger than the property is worth? That translated to a short sale in this situation. This house right here, Maximo de Jesus, he was a listing agent. He's a master when it comes to helping families stop the foreclosure process, keep their homes, and or solve their problems in a way that doesn't impact their credit as much so they can get back on their feet again. So in this situation, the wife, the husband passed away, the wife got the property, the reverse mortgage balance was bigger than the property value on the house, and he had to help her short sell the property so that it wouldn't foreclose on her and mess up her credit for 7 years and prevent her from getting mortgage ready again, which you can do in about half the time if you do short sale versus a foreclosure. So they finally got this property to the closing table. The balance on the reverse mortgage was about $209,000, and they ended up selling the property for $174,000. And what's nice about that is not only does it help the seller's credit compared to a foreclosure, but it also helps her get mortgage ready in about half the time. It eliminates the deficiency judgment on that forgiven debt that can potentially attach to her until that balance is paid off. So in that situation, he helped her get out from underneath that debt, and the bank took the haircut on the loan balance so that she can move on with her life. So kudos to Maximo on this particular situation. If you happen to have a seller whose property is worth less than what is owed, or right now you're seeing a lot of properties just not selling on the market because if they take another price reduction, then by the time they pay commissions and closing costs, the seller's going to have to bring cash to the closing that they don't have to make the loan whole at the closing table, which means you could be in short sale territory. So if you need a consult to see if a seller is a short sale potential and then what to do to get that property closed so you can help the seller and get a commission, then just go to shortsalestart.com and book a free consult. We'd be glad to kind of look over the file to see if the seller qualifies, and if they do, we'll take you by the hand and walk you through that closing process.